Hey everyone, welcome back to the King Tony Workshop. Now, the other day I was talking to a friend of mine, and he was mentioning to me that he needed a small, simple, compact tool set for when he's working around the house. Maybe he's putting together some furniture, he's fixing some home appliances, or even just repairing his kids' bicycles. And he asked me if I knew of anything that could help him out. I said, sure, of course I do. And here it is. This is our screwdriver ratchet set. Now, inside here, it contains a variety of bits and sockets ranging from 4 to 14 millimeters. And one of the cool things that I really like about this screwdriver ratchet is that it can actually switch shapes. It can go from a straight edge to an L shape. This is going to give you some added torque when you really need to tighten things down. So be sure to visit kingtony.com and pick one up for your household. I'll see you guys next time.